Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on how to use Interlibrary Loan. This video will demonstrate how to request journal articles from the databases that we do not have immediate access to. Please see the other tutorial videos for information on how to request full books and book chapters. Journal articles are very easy to request through Interlibrary Loan, but there are a couple of different pathways to request them depending on how you come across the article in the first place. If you are looking through a database like the MLA International Bibliography, for example, you will see that most of the articles have a little PDF icon next to the article. The process is largely the same if you're coming through sources like Google Scholar, but please see the library resources on that service specifically for more details. If you see the little PDF icon, this indicates that we have full text access to the article and that it is available immediately as a PDF for download, printing, etc. If the article does not have the PDF icon, however, it likely means that we do not have immediate access to it. Click on the article's title to see its full record. Once you have done that, you will see a red button that says Find at UMD. Clicking on this button will search all of our holdings, including other databases, to see if this article is available through our system. If it's not available through our holdings, you will see a button that says Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. Clicking on this will bring you to the ILL request form. You'll notice that this is very similar to the request form for the books and physical materials, as well as for the chapter request form discussed before. All you need to do here is to ensure that the information is correct and to fill in the required fields. Once you submit the request, it'll enter your request queue, and you'll receive an email with a link to the PDF as soon as it's available. If you've come across the article through other means, such as Google Scholar or some other path, you can also take a shortcut to the item by requesting it using the DOI Resolver tool. Through your ILL account, which is available on the main page of the library's website, it's that big yellow button. You'll be able to quickly and easily place a new ILL request directly. Once you have selected the Place New Article Request link, you'll be taken to the item request screen, which we've seen in the other previous examples. As shown in the image above, you can use the DOI resolver to quickly autofill the fields. There's more information available on DOI in this research guide. If you can find the article's DOI, and not every article has one, but most do, you can find this either through the database entry for the article, the Google Scholar entry, or the journal's information page. There's other ways too, but these are the most common. Copy only the numbers and paste them into the DOI resolver and hit Resolve DOI. It's that button right there. This will fill in most of the information fields about the actual article, the sort of bibliographic information. All that will be left are the fields about your specific request. This is the same as with the book and the book chapter request, indicating by when you need the item by. And please remember the trick from the book request video. And also indicating whether or not you'd be willing to receive a preprint or an open access version of the article. Please see the link in the LibGuide about open access to see if this option is right for you. Once you've submitted the request, it'll enter your queue, just like any of the other Interlibrary Loan requests. And when the chapter is available through a partner library, you'll be emailed a link in order to download that PDF. This usually comes in about 1 to 3 days.